vlog.
No, she wasn't. And I can't wait to
What's that?
No, man.
I can't go phone.
Hey.
40.
Okay, no problem.
I saw a party and video. Let's on total more send a video.
And I keep it really busy.
It's how I take it.
Yo, girl, I think I'm gonna lose more weight.
Wait. No, we
No, here, holo. Because I actually get.
So I'm just my food.
Like, my so 100%. No, on tisa, below your lower. So right now, I can literally put in my baby.
Ooh. You really did lose weight.
Oh, give it your coach, have a life, whatnot.
What's about?
I mean, so you won't know it's possible.
It works.
Without the have a life, it's a so it's a really horrible.
Oh, Porikisa product.
Oh, what happened now?
Hi, and that one is. Hey. It's the pandemic.
Pandemic.
Hi, Nisakayo.
No, man, I don't like people without providing anything. No, man, you have to pay for whatever.
Yeah.
Like everything. You don't just get challenges.
I think you have to do something for it.
Okay. How did I get it? Oh, the design.
Oh yeah, my WhatsApp number.
But like you want my layer or the white one?
I could, no, the white one is for customer.
Oh, okay. This one. Yeah, you see.
What?
Hey.
What's that? Hey.
I told you, but I told you. I can't have a bag.
One side to the vlog.
Okay, babes. Okay, there you go. What's in the bag?
Yeah, everything. How out fit there? What I didn't.
Please.
What's fashionable?
Please.
Inside a vlog. Hi guys. So this is Alina. Take the mask off for a second. For a second. Just a second. There she is. That's Alina, one of the giveaway winners. So she is here to claim her prize. Finally, and this is how she's looking. Let me just turn this way.
I mean, did I not deserve?
She is cute or whatever. So you'll probably see her again on the Sunday video. Not this one. Okay. The other one.
Whichever day it is.
You're gonna see her on the video.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you. Hello beautiful people, I am Jane.M and this is Jane.M TV coming to you fresh faced and everything glistening. It's a Thursday and in Lesotho right now it's a lockdown. It's the first day of the lockdown and my sister's still around somewhere in the room. So I'm gonna be doing some makeup for my Sunday video dress. You'll see it over there. And I'm just gonna beat my face while we talk and I'll explain what the dress is all about. As you can see, well, you'll see it proper on the Sunday video. or you'd have probably seen it already because this is the vlog. I'm not gonna do like heavy makeup. I just want something very light, because the dress is not dramatic, so we don't want to overkill. We don't want to overdo it with the makeup. And I'm not wearing lashes as well. What did I want to talk to you about? The dress first. So that dress is inspired by the Netflix show Bridgerton. Bridgerton. I hope I'm saying it correctly. I've not seen the series myself, but I've seen trailers and bits and pieces of it. Would I want to see it? Probably yes. I might binge watch one day, but for now, it's whatever. It's a romance series based on is it like a region, yeah, era, like back in the day when black people were still slaves. But according to the series, blacks and whites are equals because for some reason a royal fell in love with a black person and now they are equals just because of that. I love the whole I love anything fiction, anything that's not real. I'm in love. It's like a fairy tale. So yeah, I'll probably watch it someday, but right now let's just start with my eyebrows. I don't know if I'm gonna show that or whatever, but yeah. So the dress, let me just explain how the dresses looked back then. So they cut right under the boob, so that cut is called an empire waist, and they used to have like poofy puff sleeves. For my dress I did cup sleeves just like right there, and they're poofy nyana, and they didn't really have a lot of elaborate embroidery or lace work. It was just like very simple, delicate embroidery. Yeah, so mine has lace because it's a modern day take on how people would dress back then, but now in 2021. All right, let me just carry on with my makeup and then continue the conversation as we do. Ooh, okay, so I did my brows off camera because they're complicated. So as I was watching the reviews on Bridgerton, I saw a bunch of fashion, like history of fashion fanatics and enthusiasts being very abhorred, and costume designers as well, about the fact that the garments are not periodically correct. Some of the fabrics used there are not depictive of what was used back in the day. Some of the embroidery, some of the lace work, what made you appliques were not periodically correct. But I was like, whatevs. It was back in the day. They did not have the resources. This is a fictional series. It's meant to sell you a dream, and that's what they gave you. And I'm in love with the costumes. Some are ridiculously weird, but some are amazing. All of them, the colors are vibrant. It's just an amazing show for me. I love it. So I'm just gonna apply some foundation, and I think I overdid it. I don't want to put too much makeup on because, like I said, my dress is not that elaborate. I have my mirror down here. If you see me looking down, it's the mirror. Let's just go in with some concealer. I did not apply foundation here because I'm gonna apply my contour there. And sorry if I'm not showing you my makeup. It's because I use the same things. If you've watched one of my thingies, you've seen all of them. So basically what's going on is this is my lippy and it's torn at the back. This is what I do, just press it and we are in business. Though it's a bit messy, as you can see. So basically right now my makeup is done. I just need to get my hair together and wear some earrings or something. Remember to support my girl Maleshuburo. I'll leave her details down below here. She gifted me one of these and I bought one for 80 rand in this style. I'm trying to get them in an angle so you can see them. There you go. That's how they look. Please go support her on Instagram. She delivers to Lesotho and around South Africa. Thumbnail. Otherwise, on Bridgerton, that's all I'm gonna say. I love the costumes. I love the storyline. It's romance. It's fiction. I'm all for it. I'll be eating it up pretty soon. And word from Jane.M TV producers, guys, read the description. Everything you need is usually in the description, and if it's not, watch the whole video because I do tell what I'm using, how much of it I'm using. What else? Watch the process. You need to know how things are done. Watch the whole process. Don't skimp and try to like watch here, skip and then go watch somewhere else. If you do that nitpicky thing, I won't be answering you in the comments because it's too much work. I am over here answering like last year video stuff and I know the information, it's either in the description or in the video itself. So please don't make my life difficult. I love you all. I love the support, but please watch the whole video. And some of the information is usually in the vlogs, so watch the vlogs as well because they are very important. Okay, catch you up later. Hi guys, so we just shot the Sunday video outro and intro part, and this is how we're looking. Okay, I'm looking pretty. She is, wow, going through the most because what's about my behind the scenes, they're always like looking somewhat what, but this is how we're looking. That's the dress. What do you have to say to the people?
Nothing.
Okay, I'm about to take off the makeup and the dress and we are going to bake. All right, latest. Hey guys, so it's far later in the day and it's raining and your girl is getting ready to turn in or whatever. So I just wanted to bring you a young fabric haul and show you what I collected, the fabrics that I collected, and it's a bunch. Let me just get them real quick for you. So in those plastics my fabrics. One just decided to go all the way over there, but I'm gonna begin where, let's just begin with this one. So I bought this beautiful floral, it's a some type of cotton fabric. It's very lightweight, very flowy. About 3 meters of this cotton fabric right here from Woolwagon. And how much did this one cost? 50 bucks per meter, so 50 rand per meter of this. So I bought 3, so that was like 150. And I went ahead to buy an invisible zip. It's this very long one. I usually say just go on and buy the long one, you can always cut it. So that's that, those two stuff that I bought. And then I went over to Z&Z, and this is one thing that I've been saying, I'm going to do this for the channel, I'm going to be doing this for the channel, and never got around to doing it. Last year the plan was to have done it by December, but it didn't happen. So I went ahead and bought 3 meters of this Duchess satin in a white, crisp white color, because we on Jane.M TV are doing a wedding gown, and the gods have decided Duchess satin is going to be it. I wanted to use taffeta, but I couldn't find like a crisp white one, so we went on and bought my favorite fabric, which is a Duchess satin. It has a very light sheen to it. It's heavy, like it's not lightweight, it's a bit heavy. But yeah, I have makeup on and I want to put makeup on a white thing. Yo, this one was 45 rand per meter, so I bought 3 of those, and the total was, I think this included paper, because I bought a roll of paper, which I didn't bring with me here, but I bought a roll of paper, 6 sheets, but my total at Z&Z was 180. So that was that one. And then I went over to the Chinese store and bought a very long white invisible zipper. The previous one was a cream white, so I bought this one. It's white. I usually buy 2. I used the other one on the dress you're going to be seeing on Sunday. And then I went ahead also and bought me, actually I'm lying, I bought 4 meters of the Duchess satin. 4 meters, not 3. And then I bought this lining. Remember this type? I love this type. So I bought this type of lining for the wedding gown. It's probably 4 or 3 meters, I'm not sure. And then I went ahead also and bought some violin interfacing. It has many names, Perlon, but I bought this sticky. It's sticky on the other side, so this side has this sugary feel to it because it's a glue. When you iron it on, it sticks. It gives the fabrics you're using a firmer, you know, feel to them, so that they keep that structure. Because you know I love corsetry in every shape or form. I have to constantly have this, and boning, which by the way I didn't buy this time around because wow, I don't know why. I cannot explain why I didn't buy it. Oh, I can actually. The lady didn't have the 1 centimeter thick one. They had like a 0.5, a smaller one, so I didn't want the small one. So that's this one's. And then because I'm doing something, I'm not literally like making something from scratch for my mom. She just needs an undergarment, so I bought some trilobal. It's a stretchy fabric, lining fabric that I use for like stretch fabrics or like lace. So I'm gonna be doing an under dress for her, for her lace dress. She doesn't like the one that she has at the moment, so we are going to make a black one. And that was that. I bought like 2 meters of this because a meter of trilobal is really wide. And then I went ahead again there by Z&Z in another fabric store, because there's a bunch of fabric stores there. I bought this fleece fabric. It's a fleece. It's really soft, and I'm making my best friend's baby blanket. So she's pregnant. We are doing a baby blanket for the baby, and she's gonna be pretty in it. I know it's a girl. The gender has been revealed. She's a girl, so we are making her a beautiful blanket out of this fleece. And this cost me, it says 65 malotu on here, so I guess that's that. And I think I got a meter of this because it's really wide, so I didn't need a lot. It's a baby, it's not a grown human. So guys, that concludes my fabric haul. just signing out here. I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here as well. So I don't know if I'm wrapping up the vlog here or I'm gonna be baking, because something disrupted my baking process. So either I'm gonna end it here or maybe tomorrow, we'll see. But for now, I am ending the vlog and the fabric haul here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, before I leave, I forgot, one of the giveaway winners came through, Alina. I'm gonna leave her handle here, and she gave me her fabric. I'm gonna show you what she gave me. Oh, so she gave me this beautiful silk chamoisi fabric. It's a bunch of like gang fabric. I don't know how many meters are here, but we are doing a lovely dress for her on the channel. It's gonna be part of the Sunday content videos, so hopefully by the time I do get to doing this dress, the lockdown will be a bit at ease, so that she can come through and, you know, take a video with us and everything. So she gave me this, and she gave me 2 of these. So yeah, that's that on that. On period. On see y'all later. Bye. Hey guys, so it's like far later in the day, and I decided to bake. So over here we have, in here we have 2 cups of sugar and 500 grams of Rama margarine. We have 4 eggs here, large eggs, and this is vanilla essence to make it smell really nice. And we have some coconut, and then 1 kg self-raising flour. That's how it looks. You probably don't have it in your country, because as you can see, it says Lesotho flour mills. And my sister's reading a novel. It's an interesting read. Anyway, I'm gonna be baking, and once I'm done, I'm gonna show you how they turn out. My cousin brought me her little thing. She has it packaged so much, like, and she needs to explain why. But it's this thing. It's a mincing. It makes like, turns your meat into mince, but we use it for cookies as well. So I'm gonna be using this here dainty machine to do these things. So catch up later. Hey, it's a different cell phone. If I stick it in, I'll guys, so I'm finally done, and they are all in this 10-liter bucket thingy. That's how they're looking. They look yummy.